This is the Prosperity floor plan at Webb Viera. Today we're going to be taking a look at that. We're going to talk about pricing, cost of ownership, and what you could expect from Webb Viera. Let's go. Today we're going to be checking out this Prosperity model here at Webb. Now this is part of the distinctive collection. These are going to be the 50-foot home sites. I'm going to take you through the home, give you some more information on the layout. As you'll notice here, it comes in a couple different configurations, so I'll explain that as we work our way through. We're also going to go over availability, cost of ownership, and what lifestyle here at Webb is like. I'll see you inside. So the specs on this Prosperity model that we're looking at today, this can come in two different configurations, either a 2 or 3 bedroom. So I'll explain a little bit more on how that works as we work our way through it. But since we're here in the front, let's start in the front of the home like we always do. You're gonna have your second bedroom and bathroom right off of the front. And I've actually got the floor plan here, so I'll give you dimensions as well. This front bedroom is going to come in at 11.9 by 10.1. You've got high ceilings. All the doors throughout are 8-foot doors. You've got recessed lighting. You've got pre-wires for a hanging fixture, whether that's a fan or a light. Now keep in mind, the home that we're in is a model home, so it's got a lot of upgrades. It's staged, but if you were buying a spec home or an inventory home, it's going to usually come with a cap there for your pre-wire. But you've got the 8-foot closet height on the bypass door here. Smooth finished doors, smooth finished 2-panel door. So it gives it a really nice clean look. All the doorways are a little bit wider. So you'll notice here the second bathroom has the gray shaker cabinets here. It's got a quartz top with an undermount sink, tub shower combo with the tile all the way up to the wall. You've got recessed lighting in the shower, exhaust vents. You've also got a linen closet here right off of this front bedroom and the shower. This is going to be another storage closet, so you got a coat closet right off the front as well. And follow me, we'll work our way through the home. You've got a room here, which I'm going to come back to and explain that configuration. And then off the front here is your garage access and your laundry. So I'll take you out into the garage since we're here. One of the things that you'll notice is these do come with epoxied floors. The transition into the garage is actually it's almost a flush transition with the exception of the threshold here. So there's no step to get down into the garage. And then you do have a little recessed area here with an outlet. This is pre-wired for a sink. So if you wanted to put a sink out here, maybe an extra refrigerator or freezer, you could do that. Now your breaker panel is going to be out here as well. You'll notice that these are the GFCI breakers. So all that's at the panel. And then you may notice, if you've seen some of our videos before, we always mention hurricane shutters. Those are typically in the garage. So where are they on this house? Well, this house doesn't actually have any hurricane shutters because these come standard with impact rated windows. So you're still going to get that wind credit for the lowest insurance premiums that you can possibly get, but you don't have to worry about boarding up for the storm because these are impact windows. You'll also notice that there's no hot water out here. That's because these are on a tankless gas hot water system. If you guys want to see that, we'll actually run out there and take a look at that in just a minute. Also, the garage door opener does come standard with Wi-Fi, so you can program that to the app on your phone. All right, and then right off of the garage is the laundry room, like I mentioned before. So it's a good sized laundry room. You've got plenty of room for an extra table here. You could even put that extra fridge or freezer out here. You've got a secret little compartment here, which I'm going to show you what that is here in a little bit. So make sure you guys hang out for that because you're not going to want to miss it. And then of course your tech panel is right here. This is where all your low voltage wiring goes. The house is pre-wired with all your Cat 6. So this is where your modem and your router are going to go, and all the low voltage for everything else in the house. So it's pretty convenient, ready to go. All you got to do is come in, hook your modem and your router up, and you guys are off to the races. Now, there is some of those things are included here at Webb, so I am going to explain a little bit more about what's included here in just a minute, so make sure you guys stick around for that as well. Now, this is that flex room that we mentioned. This is that variation where this could be that additional third bedroom. So this particular configuration, it's obviously a 2-bedroom with the flex right here. I'll pull up the dimensions on this room. So this is going to be a 12.4 by 10, so 12.5 by 10. Obviously in the flex room variation, there's no doors here, it's just completely open. but you've got the recessed lighting in here as well. The can lighting. You've got the pre-wire for your drop-down pendant light or fan as well. So then as you work your way through the house, you've got a nice big pantry here, right off of the kitchen. Now these are popular because they're open concept layouts. We're gonna go in here and look at the owner suite first, and I'm gonna come back out, take you through the kitchen, kind of explain how this one's configured, what it includes. And then we're actually gonna go out back because this one's got a sweet view and it's got a pool. So I'll give you some more information on that as well, and what you could expect for pool home if you're considering putting a pool in your property. So here's your primary suite here. This is a really, really good sized room. It's got a tray ceiling, recessed lighting. Your master bath is right here. The dimensions on this room are 13 by 14. So this is a 13 by 14 master suite. You've got a really nice picture window here that gives you a view of the backyard. And then through here is the bathroom with pocket door, which is nice. It's a really good use of space. Your closet's also gonna be in here. So you've got a really nice size vanity, dual sink vanity, a huge, huge shower here. I mean, this is like literally a curbless shower, so you could roll right in if you wanted to. And I've heard this called a party shower before. So I don't know if you guys call it that. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this shower, but you can go inside here and take a look. The tile goes all the way up. It's got the penny tile on the floor, the rainfall shower head. You got a nice, really big walk-in closet here. And then off to the corner is your water closet with the privacy for the toilet. You've got another linen closet here in the master with plenty of storage. And probably my favorite feature of the home is the laundry chute. I know for me it's the little things, but you can literally get out of your shower and drop your towels right in here. All you gotta do is call the maid and she'll take care of everything else. I'll meet you guys back in there. We'll check out the kitchen and the primary living space. So the primary living space here right off of the kitchen is gonna come in at about 12.4 by 18. So it's a really good sized room. You got lots of natural lighting with the windows and a sliding glass door. Now again, this is a model home, so it is upgraded. It does have a pool and it's got a water view, but I'll give you some more information on what those price and how those costs change depending on the level of finish and the type of home that you guys end up selecting. So the model that we're in now, this is a standard level kitchen. Now it does have, or what it doesn't have is the gourmet upgrade with the built-ins, but you do have a slide-in range, gas top, 5-burner range. You've got the microwave that mounts over the range. Obviously this one has a backsplash. It's got this kind of steel blue hex tile on here, which I think is really cool. Your sink and dishwasher have the window, and then you've got a nice size island right here. This is easily a three-person island. Maybe you could cram 4 in here. This one does come with a refrigerator. Del Webb offers different levels of appliance packages. So if you guys want to understand more about what you're getting, definitely reach out. I've got an entire spec sheet I'd be happy to share with you. You can call, text, or email. Our contact information is in the description. Now this area right here off of the kitchen is the cafe, as they call it on the floor plan. So the cafe is going to be 12.8 by 10.2. You've got a couple little windows up here, so you still have room for any type of dining room cabinetry or even pictures on the wall while you still get that natural light in. And then what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go out back. I'm gonna show you the pool area and give you those specs on this particular home and all the pricing. I'll see you there. There are so many included features here at Del Webb that it's almost too many for me to list. If you guys want this full spec sheet, definitely reach out. I'll be happy to send you a copy. Now, this particular model obviously comes with a pool. A pool package is an option here at Del Webb. Really just depends on if that's something you want. You actually have a basic pool package, and there's even a luxury pool package if you want something that's a little bit more over the top. Now this one does have a water view, so the lot itself is going to dictate the lot premium. So speaking of lot premiums, let's get into cost of ownership here at Del Webb Viera. Just to recap, this is the Prosperity model. It's available in a 2 or 3 bedroom configuration. The square footage is going to range between 1670 on the standard model, which we saw today, to 1790 if you get the extended sunroom living space. The association here is going to come in at $370 per month. That's going to be all inclusive exterior landscaping. You don't have to do a thing. It's going to include your cable and internet. You're also going to get the gold membership at the Duran Golf Club. If you guys want to know what that includes, I'll be happy to send that to you as well. And there is an initial capital contribution fee here. So that's going to be $2,000. That's a one-time fee. The clubhouse, when that is available, I believe they're projecting 2025 when the clubhouse will be open. That's going to be an $840 initial membership. Now, what Del Webb is doing in the meantime is they are going to actually take one of their spec homes and convert that into a temporary clubhouse. So it's going to have a gym. I believe it's going to have a pool or some type of outdoor living space. So while the early residents don't have the full clubhouse, there is going to be something in the interim until the full clubhouse is open. Now, this is part of the Central Viera Community Association, which is going to come in at $230 per year. And this is also part of the Viera Stewardship District, which has an annual fee of $1,135 per year. Now, the base price of this prosperity model starts right around $465,000. I've seen lot premiums on the 50-foot lots like this range anywhere from $23,000 to $88,000. Again, it's really going to depend on what's behind you and what your preference is. If you want to know if you want a pool packages right now with Del Webb are starting right around $100,000 for the basic pool package, which comes with the paver deck, the pool, and it's actually going to have a screened enclosure. They didn't put one here because it's a model. You can also upgrade and add spas, or if you want a luxury pool package, those are going to start at $150. Of course, you have the option to always add a pool after you purchase. You don't have to do it through Del Webb. Now, if this prestige model isn't quite right for you, don't worry. Del Webb at Viera offers a lot of different floor plans. We're actually going to go explore some more of those right now. If you want to join us for that, you can do that right here. I'll see you guys there.